Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can generate extend report, okay, using TestNG. So that is also a very common question in any automation testing interview, okay. So let's run it and let's see the result, okay, then we will understand, okay. So before coming to the code, I would request each and everyone, please subscribe my channel. Okay, whoever didn't subscribe it till now, and please hit the notification bell button. So whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get notification immediately. And also share with your friends and families, whoever is preparing for any automation testing interview or want to learn Java or Selenium TestNG. Okay, so I think my videos will be helpful for them. Okay, and the duration also very short, so you didn't need to spend much time on this, and you will also get one video, means one concept each day. Okay, and please like my video and also let me know your thoughts in my comment section. If you are having any doubt on any of the videos, you need any more clarification, I will try to resolve those. Okay, so now coming to the code. So for extend report, okay, we need dependency. So one dependency is required, okay. So I'm showing you my pom.xml. So this is my pom.xml. So this dependency you need, okay, maven dependency you need for extend reports, okay. And obviously TestNG also you need. So this is particularly for the extend report, to generate extend report. And how to get this dependency from maven repository, okay, and how to add it. If you need videos on that also, just let me know, I will create a separate video on that. So I have added this part, okay, for the extend report. Now I'm coming to this. So I will show a very small execution, okay, very simple execution. So what I'm doing here, I'm I'm navigating to facebook.com. I'm getting the driver.get title. So I'm getting the title of the web page and driver.quit. So I'm closing all the open session. Okay, so this is a very small execution, and how we can generate extend report for that I will show you. So for extend report, okay, we need two classes. One is extend reports, one class, and another one is extend spark reporter. Okay, these two classes we need for to generate extend report. Okay, and we need to do all the setup before the execution. Okay, so how the report will look, right? We need to create a HTML report. So how the look, okay, what are the title name, the report name, so those we need to do in the before test method, okay, because this test at the rate test, it will do the execution. So before that we need to configure the report, okay. So that's why all the details I'm mentioning in the before test, and I'm creating a method, so that is setup. So this method will do all the setup and configuration required to create the extend report, okay. So first what I am doing, I am creating an object report of extend spark reporter, okay. And this class need a path, okay, as an argument or parameter. One path means where your report will get generated, that path is needed, okay, for this extend spark reporter. So for path, I'm creating a string variable, okay, path, and I'm storing the data. So if you give system.get property, and within bracket if you are given user.dir, so it will give you the current project directory, okay, it will give you the current project directory. And then I'm giving here reports, so it will generate a folder, it will create a folder, and within that folder one report will get created, HTML report, and the name of that report will be project report.html. So that will get created in this path, and that path I'm providing here, okay, in extend spark reporter path. Fine. Then I'm using this object, and there are a couple of methods. So whatever the method you need to use for your configuration, you can give like that report.config, then dot. So if you give a dot here, okay, and if you give set, so all the setup, okay, all the set report name, okay, all the things you will get. So here I am using set report name, okay. So and the parameter is string report name. So whatever the report name you want to give, that you can give, okay, for your report, extend report. So I am giving here automation test report. You can give it as per your requirement, okay. And then I'm giving a title of that means report. So I'm giving here test result. Any name you can give, okay, that is up to you. Fine. Then I'm creating an object, okay, extend report in the global level. Why in the global level? Because it will be used in before test uh, annotations and also at the rate test annotation. So that's why I need to declare it in global level, okay. So and then I'm using this extend and equal, I'm creating this object, okay, equal to new test report. So this class will drive the main execution. Extend reports class will drive the main execution, okay, and extend spark reporter will do the configuration, the look, okay, the name, the report name, title, okay, what are the title name, those things, okay. And then I'm passing this extend dot attach reporter. So this object extend spark reporter object I'm passing over here. And there is one method, okay, in this extend report, that is set system info. So you can give the role, the tester, okay, and the name of the tester. So I'm giving here the tester and the name I'm given the channel of my YouTube channel name, okay, that is study with me. So you can give as per your requirement, as per your project requirement. Suppose 5 tester, accordingly you can give the name. Fine. So that's it. Now I'm coming here. So here it is very simple, right? So this step, driver equal to WebDriver equal driver equal to new Chrome driver. I am maximizing the window. Then I am navigating to facebook.com and I am fetching the title of that page using get title method and then quitting, okay. And before that, what I am doing, I am using this object of extend report class, and dot I am using a method dot test create test. So whenever you are using this method, okay, create test, it will create a execution, okay, it will create a execution, it will create a test, okay. And what you can give whatever the name is means as per your requirement. So here I am giving sanity reports, okay, for my requirement. You can give sanity, smoke, regression, okay, functional, it is up to automation, whatever, okay. And I am creating an object for this extend class, okay, in test, and I'm storing here, okay. So this line I'm not using now, I will show you in the next execution. And then I'm using at the end extend dot flash, okay. So if you don't give it, it will not capture the output, okay. So once the execution is done, we can understand using this flash, okay, and it will fetch the data, it will show you in the output view, okay. So that's why we need to show this, okay, extend dot flash. For create, we need to use this method, create test, okay, extend the object of extend report and create. So it will means it will indicate that one execution, we are creating one test cases, and when the execution is done, it will fetch the record, okay, as per means fail or pass, and accordingly, so it is showing end of the execution, okay. So that's why. So now let's run it, let's see the result. Okay, it got pass. Okay, now let's go to that path, okay, let's go to that path, okay. So if you could see, I am here Selenium 1, right, Selenium 1. So this is my Selenium 1, okay, there is no folder, Okay, using these reports there is no folder, if you could see. So we need to refresh it. Okay, then you can see the latest. So I refresh, now this report is coming. If you expand, so project report, so whatever the name I'm giving .html, that is getting generated. Now right click it and go to the properties and copy this path. Okay, okay, now open a browser. Okay, so here if you could see, the name is automation test report. Okay, let's go to that, our code. So if you could see, set report name automation test report. Okay, so here the name automation test report. Now the title is test result. So if you could see here, title is test result, right? And one test case passed, so that is showing here. And the name I am given sanity report. So if you could see here in the main execution, extend.create test, it will creating a test and the name I am given sanity report. Okay, so this is sanity report. Now if you could see, go to this dashboard. So this is the dashboard, it will show, because now only one test case, so only one, and this is got passed. Okay, test case 1 is passed. Okay, now if you could see, the name is tester and the value study with me. Okay, so this is working fine, right? Now I'm coming to this part again. So now I have written this line. So what is this? So using this object, okay, this test object, you can do many other functions. Okay, suppose if you can give a dot, so add screen capture, okay, from base. So there are different methods are available. So I'm using here dot fail. So I'm forcefully fail these test cases. Okay, I'm forcefully fail these test cases, and when this test case is failed, it will print this message. Okay, expected result and actual result are not matching. Okay, and suppose I am changing something, suppose now I am giving smoke test report. Okay, and the tester name, instead of study with me, I am giving only study. Okay, like that. And automation, instead of automation smoke test report. Okay, here also I am giving updated test result. So like that I am giving. Okay, something different I am giving, so that we can see the changes. Project report also we can give some different name, like smoke test result. Okay, so now I'm giving in the same path I am giving some different name. So now let's see. Okay, because I am using this test.fail. Okay, try to understand, because I am giving this test.fail, now the test will fail. Okay, we are forcefully failing these test cases. Okay, so it will fail, and this is the error message it will show, that why it got failed. So it is means you can modify whatever message you want to write, you can write it. Okay, so that is up to you. Whatever the message we will write here, mention here, that will get printed. Okay, in our HTML report. Okay, here also I can give like new tester, something different. Let's see, let's run it now. So here it got pass. Okay, but in report it will show failed. Okay, so here you could see the old report only showing. Let's refresh it. Okay, now the new report. Okay, it is showing smoke test result. Okay, copy the path till this much is same, this is different, the report name is different now. Okay, I change all the part, like report name, title. Okay, And this test case name also, create test also name is different. Okay, now if you could see here showing smoke test report. Okay, if you could see smoke test report, so it is matching, right? Whatever I'm giving, that is coming. Okay, it got now fail. It is showing expected result and actual result are not matching. So whatever the message I'm giving here, that is only getting printed. So that is also correct. Here it is showing automation smoke test report. Okay, so test report name also I can modify as per my requirement, and the title updated test result. Let's see this. So here also previously it is test result, now here updated test result. Okay, now go to this dashboard. So here it is fail. Okay, one test case got fail, it is showing. Okay, now the name is new tester. So role is now the name means the role is new tester and the value is study. So whatever the system information, okay, set system info, whatever the value I'm giving, tester like the new tester and the study. Okay, so here mostly we are giving for extend report the tester, role is tester, because mostly we are extend report is used by the automation tester. Okay, and whatever the tester name that we are giving, okay, so, or the team name. Okay, so that we are giving. So here also that is getting printed. Okay, so it is working absolutely fine. So please practice it. Okay, it is very means common question asked in automation testing. Okay, and try to practice it and let me know in the comment section if you need videos on any other topic or if you need any clarification. Okay, and we need to import, okay, these classes. Okay, to use these classes, this package we need to import. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow again I will come with a new video. Till then, have a nice day, enjoy and keep learning. Okay, thank you, bye.